Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about how to upload tables into a MySQL database. So currently in this our database we just have one table, and we are going to see how we use a tool called the table import wizard to be able to import tables into our database. Our current database is the company database, the company data. So let's see how we get to import tables. So if you want to import tables into your database, all you need to do is to come here, right click on tables. You see where it says table data import wizard. You click on it. Then this dialog box appears. So all you need to do is to browse to your table. You go find the table you want to import. Alright, so these are the tables we want to import into our database. So we are going to select the first one, category table, and click on open. Then all you just have to click on is next, 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 and finish. So once you're done, if you refresh this, you will see the new table has been added to your database. The category table has been added to your database. So this is how you get to import tables into your database. So I'm going to keep links to these tables in the description. You could hit on the description, go to the description, you will get the links to the Github repository where these tables are. So if you want to follow along with these tutorials, all you need to do is to go to the description, hit on the GitHub link where those tables are, and you can go ahead and clone the repository. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and import all other tables that we are going to be using for these tutorials. So the process is still the same. You right click on tables, table data import wizard. You go ahead, browse, select the next table and click on open. And by the way, the tables ought to be in CSV format. That's the best format for importing tables into a MySQL database. So you click on next, 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 so you will see next. So you will see the record here. It has imported 91 records into your database. So if you click on finish and then you go back here, refresh, you'll see the new table has been added to your database. So this is how you get to import tables into your database. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more insightful videos like this. Thank you.